Hello, we're done po sa ating Bible reading. So, ang binasa po natin ay chapter 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, Genesis chapter 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, my Rema word po is on the Genesis chapter 11, kung saan po winasak ni Lord no, yung tore ng Babel. Yan. So, bakit tinawag na Babel? So, yun po ay dahil pinagkawatak-watak ng Diyos yung lengguwahe ng mga tao nung panahon na yon. Kasi nga, dahil they have one language, no, nagkaroon po sila ng agenda na gawin yung mataas na tore para sila'y maging tanyag. So, my takeaway there is, napakalaga po talaga ng language because when we understand one another, we can build something. But kailangan po yung language na yon ay yung galing na language kay Lord. Kasi dito po, pang sariling desire nila yung ginawa nila. They want to be great, no? They want to be great and ang ginagawa po nila ay yung sarili nilang diskarte. But praise God, by the grace of God, we can go back po dun sa truth ni Lord, which is sa New Testament. Excuse me, if you want to be great, you need to be a servant. So, that is the language of Jesus no sa atin ngayon, that if we want to be great, we need to know how to serve. So, yun po yung ating takeaway for today and I hope po na bless po tayo. Let's continue to desire the Lord from His Word. God bless po.